Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to discuss about a very grim situation in this dark world. Dark world, we are passing through. World of COVID-19, Corona. Everywhere, every place in the world, there is fear, there is misery, there is cry. What is to do? In India, chief ministers are crying. You see in every news channel. Prime minister is also crying. Now the corona is in the rural areas also. In the villages, the people are dying unattended. Bodies are floating in the river. Bodies are strewn here and there. This is the pandemic. People say every 100 years there is pandemic, and thousands and lakhs and millions of people would die. This is the situation. And what is the modern world? Modern medicine, scientists, doctors. We are helpless. So many doctors are also dying. So, where is the hope? Who will help us? I asked the God, please help me. Please help us. God replied, see, God help those who help themselves. And after all the situation, and this pandemic situation is created not by God, but human itself. Virus is everywhere. From the very beginning of the human civilization, there is virus. There is human virus, there is animal virus. Virus that live on animals, they usually don't harm human beings. Sometimes it happens, but not in this grade. Now the Pandora's box is opened. Who has opened the Pandora's box? Some people say this is from one lab. Bat virus and the coronavirus, that is the influenza virus. They have made some hybrid of that and tested on human beings. Somehow it's leaked. Who leaked? They blame each other. China says it is to blame America. America said no, China is fully responsible because one is in the China. And both jointly did this. America invested the money in the one lab of China, and the Chinese government and military, they purposefully did this. And somehow less than 1 lakh people infected in China from the very beginning of this virus since 2019 to 2022 21. Less than 1 lakh, and only 4,000 people have died in China, and the population is more than 150 crore. And what happened, you see, in India, 138 crores population, 2.5 crore people already infected. About 3 lakh people already died. The number is more than the First and Second World War casualties, and still dying. In the first wave, aged people were the target, and on the second wave, the young generation is targeted. They are also dying. People between 20 to 40 are dying. Dying of breath, lungs are fully damaged, trachea is punctured, they gasp for breathing and died within a second. Most of the people died with the happy hypoxia. They don't even know they are below the oxygen saturation, working and doing their job, and suddenly die. 420 people, 420 doctors died in India till now. Doctors are also helpless. So who is to blame? China or America? I think it is to blame the intelligence people of this world, who are mainly responsible for the misery of the human beings. You see, the First World War, Second World War, atom bomb, Hiroshima, Nagasaki. Who is responsible? First world, developing world, third world. They, all the intelligent people were involved, scientists were involved, army, military, government were involved. Who are the sufferers? The poor people, young people, babies, general people, farmer, laborers. They are the sufferers. See, the same thing happened. This is no less than the biological world. See, the already pandemic, coronavirus, COVID-19 is going on, second wave, and third wave, it is said that it is more dangerous for the children. I don't know what will happen. With civilization, people will see helplessly their children are dying. Scientists, doctors, educated people, biologists, microbiologists, they'll see their children are dying. People of their country are dying. Enough is enough. Now, we have to do something. What should we do? There is no oxygen, no bed, no doctors, no medicine. What is to do? Think it out. We have to think it out. Let's see.